All right, what's going on, guys? John and Brooke here. We are so excited. We just got down to Orlando, Florida, and we're so excited for this adventure. This one is going to be really cool. We are at a treehouse, and it is a beehive.
It's inspired after a beehive. We just spent a lot of time talking with the owner. He's great, and telling us all about how this place came to be, kind of like a story that followed COVID, where he couldn't do much in terms of having a big crowd. So he decided to make this treehouse where, you know, it could be a small setting where you know, he could use up the wood he had just bought. So anyway.
So we're gonna take you on this journey. Hope you enjoy it.
The super cool thing is, it's got so many unique little qualities that we'll show you that really has a lot to do, you know, with why we chose this place. Hit my head. Oh my gosh. Wow. The bed is comfortable. And for a woman who's slightly claustrophobic, I feel okay. I feel good. I'm gonna have to sleep on this side though. John is gonna get the corner because I need to be able to escape. Watch this. Porch. As you can see, the porch area. And of course, again, the tree. Pretty. Looks like a greenhouse.
It does. All right, guys, here we are at a first restaurant in Orlando. It's called Canvas. Cool.
It was recommended by our treehouse owner, and we're gonna check it out. Kind of Americana food. Already looks good, and I can smell it from here.
It smells so good. All right, let's check it out.
Course number 1. Calamari fries. And John got a mango salad.
Mango salad, baby.
Look at him, healthy man. But he's also getting a burger. So don't worry, he's still
human.
Holy crap, John.
All right, Brooke, I want to do a little talk about our meal here at Canvas. Awesome, so good. So let's just start a little bit with the menu. How'd you like the menu, the service, the food?
I think it was Americana, but it had interesting things on the menu, like a lot of seafood, calamari, mussels.
Yeah.
But it also had burgers and steak and chicken dishes. But it had like tandoori carrots, which is like an Indian-inspired dish, and then it also had things like yuca fries, right? So that's like Native American / Spanish, Hispanic.
So for a starter, we ended up getting calamari.
Calamari fries, amazing.
God,
with
was that good?
Aioli sauce.
Oh.
So anyway, it's
Insane
just,
good.
I don't know, it's kind of funky here. It's got a lot of, look at like show you like the lights above us. See all the lanterns? Yeah, or whatever those are, chandeliers. It's got a lot of little...
Super place. Great service, great food.
Oh yeah, he was good. Miguel. We recommend Miguel at Canvas.
All right.
And we passed up dessert because we feel good.
Yes.
We're not taking, and we're gonna go back and hang out at our Bumblebee treehouse.
Good morning, guys. Don't you like seeing palm trees first thing in the morning? One of the things that I love so much about Florida. Listen, we're gonna head out to this place. It's a crystal clear spring here in Orlando. It's about an hour away. It's called DeLeon Springs, and this place is pretty cool. It's got a lot to offer. There's hiking, there's kayaking, snorkel. I think there's we might even be able to get in a little scuba dive. But there's a sugar mill restaurant. I can't wait to see this place. They have all you can eat pancakes that you cook right there at your table. Sugar Mill restaurant. This is gonna be pretty cool. I can't wait to show you all. Check this out. There's even a rainbow right now. I'm not sure if you can see it. God, I love Florida. Let's have fun today.
Lunchtime.
Hey, welcome back, guys.
Hi, how are you? Oh boy.
Right, there's a menu and silverware and silverware. Nice one for you guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, that's how cool.
What do we got before you say? What is it?
We got regular pancake mix.
Batter, pancake batter. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, good job, honey. Not yet. Oh. Whoa. One more time. Woo.
All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take out the boat. It's not our boat, we just rented a little one. But they say that the wildlife out here is pretty cool. We're gonna see some alligators and maybe manatees. Brooke and I are about to do a dive. What? We haven't dove in a while, huh?
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
A little rusty.
We're gonna do a spring here. What is this place called?
DeLeon Springs in DeLeon, Florida.
Yes.
An hour north of Orlando.
Orlando. So what I'm gonna do is videotape our gear. If anyone wants to sponsor us. Oh, that was fun. I freaking love this. Oh. That was cool. Looks like a storm's coming in. But this place is pretty cool. Ton of fish. What else we see? Nice turtle. Oh, beautiful water. Nice and clear. What was cool down at the bottom of the spring is that when the water would come up, it would actually eject you out of the water a little bit to make you come up about 10 feet.
Hello. We're back in our treehouse tonight, and we have something a little special. We wanted to make a drink, a nice warm drink that represented, part of the treehouse feel, if you will. So we're making hot toddies, but the twist is honey hot toddies, given that we're in a beehive treehouse. So we went and got the ingredients, and we already have our cups ready with our hot water. We ran them through the Keurig. We're making do, by the way. There isn't a conventional stove or anything here, so we're getting creative. But we got the hot water ready. We've got our honey whiskey. And it calls for about 4.5 ounces per these 2 cups. So we're gonna go 2 ounces each. Local honey that we got. Amazing, I've already tried it with our charcuterie. This is our sugar. 1, 2, 3. That's a lot of honey. Damn. All right, now lemon juice. Ready? This is how I do it. I squeeze fresh lemon. 6 teaspoons. Now what are we missing, John?
Cinnamon sticks.
Yes. And a lemon ring. 1, 2. So, let's recap our ingredients. Hot water, whiskey, whatever kind you like. It can be bourbon. We went with the Tennessee honey, given that we're going with our honey theme. Cinnamon sticks. What am I missing? And lemon, of course, right? Yay. That one's mine, I got more. Hot toddies, right here. Honey hot toddies.
All right. Brooke said there's a potty up in here.
Party up in here. Wait, we gotta stir in our, let me do a little
Fix it to be a potty.
Let me do a little last stir, little stirrage. Hold on. Gotta get that.
Cinnamon.
Oh, and show the nice people we did some honey charcuterie with crackers. Oh God. Cheers. Here, let's do it together here. Oh shoot. Damn.
Wow.
Son.
That's really good. Holy crap, that's good.
Right? For whiskey?
For
We don't
whiskey.
even like whiskey.
All right, guys, we want to close this video out. I hope you had a good time with us, hanging with us this weekend. To all our subscribers, thank you so much for watching our videos. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that button. And what do you think? Do you have fun?
Oh my. Yep.
What a weekend.
A different kind of look at Orlando, non-theme park related, and enjoying this beautiful property and this treehouse, and that pancake place was amazing. The sugar mill
Dive.
restaurant,
Yeah.
DeLeon Springs, not too far from here. But again, just wanted to bring another side of Orlando other than.
And to the owner of this treehouse.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Eric.
Thank you, Eric.
Eric's
What a great guy.
wonderful. Yeah,
great guy, right?
Superb.
Superb. What a great place.
Yeah, visit here, the Beehive Treehouse in
It was
Orlando.
actually voted. He said that it was voted
number 1.
number 1 treehouse in Florida, right? Okay. Well, to Eric, congratulations. Thank you guys so much. I hope you had fun, and can't wait to do another one. Have a good one.